Isuzu Elf, closed van for JJ1. Guarantee best quality. Guarantee low prices. You can pay true cash or bank financing. Complete NCR documents. With free change color of your choice, upholstery, detailing, new engine and oil filter, check differential, transmission and hydraulic oil. Visit our website www.𝐷𝐷𝐿𝐵𝒂𝒏𝒔𝒇𝒐𝒓𝒎𝒊𝒏𝒈.com. To check more available units, you can visit us in our yard today. We are located at 𝐵𝒂💃 Road, Concepcion, Lubao, Pampanga. You can also reach us to our social media platforms. All units can be sold as is or fully recon. Call us 01999779999 or 01777999955. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.